Your love, dear man, is as lovely to me as sweet soothing oil to the lips of the restless, as clean usual road to the flesh of God, as fragrance of incense to one coming home hot from the smells of the sun. It is like nipple berries ripe in the hand, like the tongue of grain meal mingled with beer, like wine to the palate when taken with the white bread, while unhurried days come and go. Let us turn to each other in quiet affection, walk in peace to the edge of old age, and I shall be with you each unhurried day, a woman given her one wish to see for a lifetime the face of her Lord. Your love, dear man, is as lovely to me. Translated by John L. Foster.
Oh, i-ano muna